it's time to upgrade the studio. But first, cleaning. Let's take a look at the existing equipment. And we will start with the computer. For editing, I use a laptop, a Dell Inspiron 15 7000 gaming. Year of manufacturers is somewhere around 2016. I also use a wired mouse from Yankee and a Refine Fine K669B microphone. Also the Nightblade GK600 keyboard and a Samsung monitor, which I think is 27 inches. So yeah, that was my gear so far, and now we are going shopping. I choose these proper lights with the canvas because I had done it this way before. Okay, next up is a new table. I just ordered the lifting legs. Here I have the board from the table. It's classic beach grout and just around the edges. Okay, that is all of the new equipment for now. Let's have a quick look at the items in question. So the biggest and most important update is the computer. I chose the Apple MacBook Pro, which has an M2 Pro processor and is 16 inches. The laptop has 1 TB of SSD. I also have shooting lights, 3 canvases, new stabilizer and new adjustable table. We have the same 7-minute video here, and let's try how long it takes to render. The old computer rendered the video in 23 minutes 35 seconds and the new computer rendered the same video in 2 minutes and 16 seconds. The new computer did it 10.4 times faster. Okay, that's all. If you want to support me, you can on my Patreon, which you can find in the description of the video. Next, I have to upgrade my chair and possibly my monitor. Otherwise, thank you for watching and see you next time.